Imagine a world where thoughts move objects, memories are retrieved like files, and broken bodies are rebuilt stronger than before. This is no longer science fiction, it's the world we're building, one breakthrough at a time. We stand at the edge of a new evolution, not shaped by nature, but by our own ingenuity. Tools are no longer just in our hands, they're merging with our bodies and minds. The line between human and machine is blurring, creating beings that are part biological, part digital. This quiet revolution is unfolding in labs and hospitals worldwide, powered by microchips, genetic code, and imagination. Consider communication from spoken words to written text to devices in our hands. Now, imagine sending a thought directly to a friend, or accessing all human knowledge with a mental command. We're becoming living interfaces with the digital world. This journey is thrilling and unsettling, forcing us to ask if we can replace our parts or share our thoughts. What makes us truly human? The path ahead is uncertain, filled with promise and peril. But one thing is clear, we've opened a door that cannot be closed. We are taking the first steps toward becoming humans 2.0. The story of our future is just beginning. The tools we once wielded are now becoming part of us. Our evolution is accelerating, and we are the architects. The boundaries of what it means to be human are shifting. We are not just adapting to our world, we are remaking ourselves for it. The next chapter of humanity is being written now, and it starts with us. Our journey toward becoming cyborgs began with a simple goal: healing. The pacemaker, a tiny device that keeps hearts beating, was one of the first true fusions of human and machine. Prosthetics evolved from wooden limbs to advanced devices controlled by muscle signals, restoring movement and even touch. Cochlear implants let the deaf hear. Bionic eyes are restoring sight to the blind. These medical marvels did more than heal. They planted the idea that technology could not only restore, but enhance. If we can replace a failing part, why not upgrade a healthy one? The line between therapy and enhancement began to blur. The very tools designed to bring us back to normal hinted at the possibility of going beyond. The medical field, in trying to heal, opened the door to human enhancement. Now, the question isn't just how to fix what's broken, but how to transcend our limits. The age of human enhancement began with the desire to heal, and now, it's about becoming more. Our bodies are no longer just biological, they're technological frontiers. The future of medicine is the future of humanity itself. The boldest frontier in merging human and machine is the mind itself. Brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, are turning science fiction into reality. Companies like Neuralink are developing implants that read and translate neural signals into digital commands. For the paralyzed, this means controlling devices with thought alone, restoring independence and communication. But BCIs go further. Scientists are learning to write information back into the brain, storing and retrieving memories, even creating artificial sensations. Imagine downloading a new skill or language directly into your mind. The ultimate vision is seamless symbiosis, linking human consciousness with artificial intelligence and the cloud. This could unlock creativity and problem-solving on a scale we can't yet imagine. The BCI is more than a tool. It's a gateway to expanding the human intellect. We're not just controlling machines, we're redefining intelligence itself. The mind is becoming a programmable, upgradable platform. The boundaries between thought and technology are dissolving. The future of the brain is digital, and it's already begun. While corporations and labs push boundaries, a grassroots revolution is happening in garages and workshops. Biohacking, citizen scientists are taking enhancement into their own hands, experimenting on themselves with implants and gene editing. Some implant magnets to sense magnetic fields. Others use RFID chips to unlock doors or share data with a wave. It's evolution on a personal scale, turning the body into a universal key. Some push further, using CRISPR to attempt self-directed genetic changes, aiming to boost muscle or fight disease. This DIY science is bold, risky, and controversial, bypassing traditional safeguards. Biohackers operate in a gray area, driven by personal freedom and the right to modify their own bodies. They see themselves as pioneers of a future where anyone can choose their own attributes. But the risks are real: infection, injury, or worse. The biohacker movement is both a symbol of our desire to control biology and a warning about moving too fast. It's a glimpse of a future where evolution is a choice, not a chance. The tools of transformation are no longer reserved for experts. Anyone can become their own experiment. The age of DIY evolution is here. The cyborg revolution promises a future free from disease and full of possibility. Genetic disorders could be corrected before birth. Nanobots might destroy cancer before it starts. Brain implants could prevent seizures or halt Alzheimer's. Beyond healing, these technologies could enhance every human ability. Imagine flawless memory, instant access to all knowledge, and intelligence amplified by AI. Our bodies could be stronger, faster, and more resilient. Eyes that see in the dark, limbs that never tire. Lifespans could stretch for centuries, with technology repairing the damage of aging. We could adapt ourselves for survival on other planets or in extreme environments. Becoming cyborgs isn't just about enhancement, it's about ensuring the survival of consciousness itself. The ultimate promise: a more resilient, adaptable human species. The next step in evolution is not just survival, but thriving in any world we choose. The perfected self is within reach. Every promise of enhancement comes with profound risks. If our brains are networked, privacy vanishes. Thoughts could be hacked, memories stolen, or altered. The wealthy may access enhancements first, creating a new divide: the augmented and the left behind. This could split humanity into two classes, deepening inequality beyond economics. Philosophical dilemmas arise. If skills are downloaded, what happens to effort, growth, or free will? We risk losing the struggles that shape us, trading humanity for convenience. Unintended consequences loom. Tweaking genes or wiring brains could have unpredictable, irreversible effects. A small change for enhancement could bring unforeseen harm. We're tampering with life's building blocks, and mistakes could echo for generations. The power to remake ourselves is also the power to break ourselves. The stakes are nothing less than our identity and future. The risks are as great as the rewards. We stand at a crossroads, no longer passive in evolution, but guiding our own destiny. For the first time, we can choose what we become. This power forces us to ask, what does it mean to be human? Is it our biology or something deeper? Our consciousness, creativity, and love? If we preserve these, even as we transform, are we still human? The definition of humanity is evolving with us. This journey will challenge our beliefs and force difficult choices. The future of our species is a conversation for all, not just scientists or corporations. The story of humanity is one of transformation. Now, we are the authors. The only question left: what will we choose to become?